का साइमल्टेनियस लॉन्च हुआ इसरो द्वारा, उसकी ब्रीफिंग माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने पूरे मंत्रिपरिषद को की और मंत्रिपरिषद ने इसरो की, उसके सभी वैज्ञानिकों की सराहना की और उनका अभिनंदन किया जो ये एक अचीवमेंट, नया कीर्तिमान इसरो ने स्थापित किया है। मैं प्रमुख निर्णय 2-3 आपको बतला देता हूं और उसके बाद एक प्रेजेंटेशन होगा। हुबली हॉस्पेट सेक्शन है 143.721 किलोमीटर्स का, उसकी 4 लेनिंग आज मंत्रिपरिषद ने अप्रूव की है। इसका टोटल खर्चा ₹2272.20 करोड़ है। मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सरफेस ट्रांसपोर्ट का ये प्रपोजल था जिसको आज स्वीकार किया गया। दूसरा एक महत्वपूर्ण प्रपोजल जो 15 वर्षों से चला आ रहा था, वो गंगा के ऊपर पटना में महात्मा गांधी सेतु है। बहुत पुराना हो चुका है और जिसकी वजह से बहुत बड़ा ट्रैफिक जैम वहां पर रहता है और खूब समय लगता है उसको पार करने में। अब 15 वर्ष से अधिक से इसकी चर्चा हो रही थी कि महात्मा गांधी सेतु का पुनर्निर्माण या रिहैबिलिटेशन हो। इसकी जो लेंथ है वो 5.575 किलोमीटर्स है। ये पटना और हाजीपुर को जोड़ता है और बिहार की कनेक्टिविटी की दृष्टि से एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण लिंक है। नॉर्थ और साउथ बिहार को ये जोड़ता है। इनफैक्ट the presentation that Mrs. Verma made just now on the textile and garment sector, I think this was also prepared in active consultation with him. And the party, of course, has said that they don't share Dr. Swami's view. I would also add one more fact. From the point of view of discipline of Indian politicians, to what extent should we attack those, the discipline and constraints of whose offices prevent them from responding? And this has happened more than once.
Yeah. Next question. Yeah, please, sir.
Sir, I'm Ruchi Bhatia from ET Now. Just wanted to ask a follow-up to that question. Do you think perhaps it is time to rein in comments from people like Subramaniam Swamy? He went ahead, attacked Raghuram Rajan, and now the Chief Economic Advisor, who's one of their own from Finance Ministry.
Well, thank you for the suggestion.
Yes, Sapna. Yeah.
About SUC charges, the fact that there'll be a fresh round of consultation at the TRI level, after which you'll be deciding what is to be done. So what's the expectation in terms of the spectrum auction? When can we expect that to roll out? Also, so far the reserve price for the 700 band generally is on the higher side. What call will be taken on that in terms also of accretion to the government coffers? Anything on that? And also, Verma ma'am, you mentioned about the export figure. How much? $30 billion is what we can expect in terms of accretion on the textile policy. But there are various numbers that I've mentioned there. Could you also just kind of give us a number again, if you don't mind? Prasad sir first.
Well, as far as thank you, Ranji. As Honorable the Finance Minister has stated, that the Cabinet has approved the entire proposal, laying down the roadmap for auction of spectrum, the biggest ever in the department. But on one specific issue, as Honorable FMA rightly clarified, that the TRAI has repeatedly recommended a particular slab. Certain issues which the Telecom Commission thought requires to be consulted with the Attorney General. The Attorney General was consulted, and he said a flat rate for past, present and future may not be very, very appropriate, legally speaking. Therefore, he has taken a call, and the Telecom Commission accepted that call in the light of sound legal advice of the highest law officer. What the Cabinet has done today, because that particular advice and the consequent decision of the Telecom Commission was not referred back to the TRAI, only that limited referral shall be done. We hope that referral shall be responded to by the TRAI at the earliest. As regard the pricing part is concerned, we don't sit in judgment over the pricing. The entire auction is done in a fair, honest and transparent manner without any reference whatsoever of the government intervention.
Yeah, I'll come back. I'll just let me finish and I'll come back.
Sir,
Whom he will identify, I'll respond.
sir, this is Gaurang Sinha from ET Now. So just to follow up to our initial questions, some believe perhaps that you're in fact real target of these comments which are coming in. And do you believe they take away from the integrity of the office?
I've already answered this question.
Arunji,
I've already answered the question. I have nothing more to add.
I think the integrity of Shri Arun Jaitley is impeccable. We all know him since the student days. His transparency and integrity is unquestionable.
Yeah, please ask, madam.
Sir, this is of course, sir, here, right here. So 2000, it's a very large quantity of spectrum that will be put up for auction. A lot of people in the industry feel that there's not that much of an appetite from the industry to actually buy such a large amount. My second question, sir, is in terms of the spectrum user charge that a regime change is going to happen, are we going to move towards a flat rate going forward? Do you envisage that situation to simplify SUC charges going forward and move to a flat rate going forward?
Well, I think I have already clarified that there was a recommendation of a flat rate. The Telecom Commission thought needs some legal advice. I have explained that. So let's await the result of the fresh referral, which will be very shortly done. As regard the appetite is concerned, I can only say the appetite of India's telecom sector is too big. And the rising mobility, a number of mobile phone, 102 crore plus Digital India coming in a big way, all are going to create a very powerful ecosystem for fresh commercial business proposition also.
So going back on the spectrum auction, what are your revenue expectations from this auction and when we can see the auction begins?
जैसा मैंने पहले बताया, ये हम सबसे बड़ी मात्रा में स्पेक्ट्रम को उपलब्ध करा रहे हैं, तो ऑक्शन होता है। हमें लगता है कि बहुत ही अच्छा ऑक्शन आएगा, लेकिन ट्रांसपेरेंट तरीके से ऑक्शन की प्रक्रिया में मुझे लगता है कि हमें अच्छे रिटर्न की उम्मीद है, रेवेन्यू रिटर्न की।
सर, प्रधानमंत्री का सपना है आदर्श ग्राम योजना, लेकिन कई मंत्री साथी आपके हैं, सांसद है बीजेपी के, उन्होंने दूसरा गांव जो गोद लेना था उन्होंने लिया नहीं सर, तो क्या ये ढीला पड़ रहा है, क्या है सर?
देखिए, पहले गांव की में किसी प्रकार का विकास हो और सुधार हो, इसके लिए बहुत अधिक मात्रा में सांसदों ने ईमानदारी से प्रयास किया है। अब ये एक प्रक्रिया है कि पहला वाला समाप्त करने के बाद वो दूसरे वाले में जाएंगे। एक स्वाभाविक प्रक्रिया है, इसमें समय लग सकता है, लेकिन निश्चित रूप से सभी उसमें जाएंगे।
जेटली जी, मेरा
Well, the matter has already been referred to the Home Ministry. The Home Ministry is seized of it and they'll let you know what they are doing in the matter.
जेटली जी, मेरा सवाल ये है कि उत्तर प्रदेश में स्वामी प्रसाद मौर्य जो पार्टी के जनरल सेक्रेटरी थे बीएसपी के, उन्होंने रिजाइन किया है और आरोप लगाया है मायावती पे कि जिस तरह से टिकट खरीदी फरोख्त की जा रही है, जिस तरह से बेची जा रही है, उसको आरोप लगाकर उन्होंने पार्टी छोड़ा। आपको लगता है सीरियस आरोप है और पार्टी का क्या देखते हैं वहाँ?
नहीं, आज ये मंत्रिपरिषद में विषय नहीं आया था, तो मुझे जानकारी नहीं है।
Last question from Rajesh here.
Ma'am, can you please give some comparable figures? You say you expect $11 billion of investment in the sector over the next 3 years and $30.4 billion of additional exports and 1 crore of job employment. What is the current level now?
We will be giving you a detailed press release in which all the comparable figures will be there.
सर ये पटना महात्मा गांधी सेतु को लेकर है, ये बिहार गवर्नमेंट ने भी बोला है कि एक पुल हम बनाएंगे, क्या ये उसी में आप पैसा देंगे या नया पुल बन रहा है, कब से बनेगा?
ये जो मौजूद ऑलरेडी पुराना महात्मा गांधी सेतु है वो पुराना हो चुका है, नैरो है, उसके ऊपर बिल्कुल जैम हमेशा रहता है, तो उसका रिहैबिलिटेशन है, उसको 4 लेन किया जाएगा, वर्चुअली नया बनाया जाएगा और ये वही पुराना महात्मा गांधी सेतु है जिसका पुनर्निर्माण होगा, जिसकी बहुत पुरानी एक डिमांड है।
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.